how to download Oduwa Core Wallet. Oduwa Core Wallet is a consensus permissionless decentralized network, the most trusted wallet to store Oduwacoin and also a staking machine for node operators to participate in mining. Bootstrap or blockchain database contain the entire blocks and chain state that speed up the synchronization procedure so that your wallet can catch the current block height in the ecosystem beginning from the genesis block. So we are on Google Chrome, and what I am doing here is I'm going to type Oduwa GitHub. I repeat, Oduwa GitHub. Spell it as ODUWA space GIT Git HUB hub GitHub. And the first link, we have to click on the first link, and we have here all the information and the download links for Oduwa Core Wallet. So on the right side in releases, you can see Oduwacoin version 2.0.0.1. I'm going to repeat it and show it to you. Oduwacoin version 2.0.0.1. When I click this, and I will have all the download links over here for Linux, Mac OS X, and all the other operating systems like Ubuntu, Linux, 32-bit, 64-bit, everything. So first of all, I'm going to check what is my system configuration. Here my system configuration is 64-bit. As you can see on the screen, it is a 64-bit operating system, and I'm going to download the link, download the file, click on the link, and this is going to get downloaded on the bottom left of your screen. As you can see here, Oduwacoin 2.0.0.1, the zip file, and I'm going to open the file. And after downloading the wallet zip file, the other important thing that you have to download is the blockchain database. That is the first link on this page. If you are not able to open this on Google Chrome, you have to copy the link, open your Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer, and paste the link over there and open it. Now I'm going to open the wallet. So I will double click and extract the files. You can see the wallet is downloading, and let me download the database as well. So I'm going to copy the link address, paste it in the Microsoft Edge, and download the database. Why is database important? Because it will synchronize all the information from the beginning of the genesis block and make your wallet up and running when you restart it. So it is very important to download the database and run the wallet. So I'm going to install it here. As you can see, Oduwacoin setup. Just click on next, create the shortcut, and I'm going to also download this one. It's downloading. The steps are very simple. First, download the wallet, then download the database, copy the files from database, and paste it in the wallet. So every procedure that I'm doing here, you need to follow that. And if you're using some other operating system, I'll tell you where the wallet files are or database files are located and where you need to paste it. So this is my wallet loading up, as you can see on the screen, and my Windows Defender will ask the permission. I need to allow the access. I clicked on allow access, and now this thing is downloading. Alright, this is my wallet. As you can see, progress percentage is 34.46%. So in order to improve or increase or synchronize the wallet and open it right away, I am going to copy the blocks and the change state from my database link. So first of all, I closed my wallet, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open app data. Before going to app data, from Oduwacoin database that we downloaded from our Microsoft Edge, I'm going to copy these blocks and change state. Copy the blocks and change state, and then paste it in the folder, the app data folder. As I'm using the Windows, so I have to go to app data, click on OK, and in app data go to roaming, and in roaming you will see Oduwacoin. Delete everything except wallet.dat file. Delete everything except wallet.dat file. And if you are installing this for the first time, you can do it this way. And if you are updating your wallet, then what you can do is, where is my wallet located? You can find your wallet in the following directory. If you're using Windows, %appdata roaming Oduwacoin, as I showed you here just now. And if you are having a Linux operating system, then you will see that in the root directory .oduwacoin. And if you are a Macintosh user, Mac OS X user, then you will see that in user, under your username, if you are an admin, you must be an admin in library, applications, support, and Oduwacoin. This is the path for your Oduwacoin to locate your Oduwacoin. So now I'm pasting the blocks and change state. Procedure goes the same. You need to copy the blocks and change state from your DB folder, database folder that you have downloaded from Microsoft Edge, and paste it in the wallet, in the Oduwacoin, where you have wallet.dat file. Delete everything and just paste wallet.dat file. The blocks and change state, just keep wallet.dat and you're good to go. And again, reopen your wallet, like double click on it and reopen your wallet. You can see the percentage increase, it's 97.32%. Once we installed, or we have placed the blocks and change state folder, our wallet synchronized in within seconds, and we have our wallet in front of us. So in order to start staking and receive the coins in your wallet, you have to click on receive request payment, and this is your wallet address, which is starting from uppercase A. Or else you can just scan this QR code and send coins to your Oduwa core wallet on your desktop. And once you send the coins and unlock the wallet, you have started the staking procedure. Every 8 hours, every 24 hours, you will see the coins receiving in your wallet. And in order to unlock the wallet, you have to enter the passphrase. When you're first installing the wallet, it will give you an option to enter a passphrase so that your wallet is not misused by someone else if they get the wallet file. And how to back up the wallet? Just click on backup wallet from the file. Second option is backup wallet. Click on backup wallet and all your data will be backed up. And in order to access your wallet.dat file, you have to enter the passphrase. That's the security for you. So I'll write Oduwacoin backup and save this. Oduwacoin backup. Click on save. And now if you want to send the coins, receive the coins, all the options are given here. And we have other video tutorials as well on the YouTube, where you will see on how to transfer coins between the Oduwa network with just a wallet address. So you don't have to do your KYC or anything when you are in Oduwa. Just simply register with Oduwa, have a wallet address, and start mining Oduwacoin and doing the transactions. Thank you for your time.